Are you working harder, getting promotions, yet still struggle with money? Then this video is for you. Today, I will break down why salary alone won't make you rich and what actually will. Most people think earning a high salary automatically means wealth, but that's the biggest myth in personal finance. Why am I saying this? Because salaries alone won't build wealth. Reasons for that are, you know it very well. Taxes eat away your earnings. With 20 to 30% of tax rates, your net income is always feels low. And what if even if you get raised, higher the taxes? The second reason is lifestyle inflation. Now you earn more, you spend more. The more you make, the fancier the car that you buy, the fancier the phone will be, the exotic vacations that you go on, but no real wealth. So the third thing is no passive income. If your salary stops, your income stops. That's not wealth, right? That's merely a survival. And that's why most employees, no matter how much they earn, stay stuck. So how do we break free from this? The secret is to, whenever you're starting to work for money, start making money also work for you. What is that we need to do for it? Step 1, build multiple income streams. The rich don't rely on just one paycheck. They have 3 to 5 minimum income sources. Some of them are investments from equity investments where dividends are paid out from stocks. That is part of the regular income. Second could be rental income. One property could be equivalent to your monthly cash flow. And also start with a side hustle, a small online business or a coaching or freelancing something that also contributes to another way of passive income. So while others are depending on one job, you're creating multiple paychecks for yourself. Now, another most important thing is invest as if your life is dependent on it. Here is a fact. Your salary alone can never make you rich, but investing will definitely make it. Then how do we start investing? Start with small little things. Start with an SIP in mutual funds. Automate your investments. Own companies, not just work for them. So invest into companies. Create different asset classes by investing into REITs and alternate investments. You can start with small amounts of money and then increase as you progress. I do hope that you understand the power of compounding and its magic. Even if you start with say just 10K a month for 20 years with 12% returns, you will easily make more than 1.2 crores. This is why the rich don't worry about salaries. They make money even when they are asleep. So another way is the third mindset shift that you need to do is escape the salary mindset. Employees work for money. Investors make money work for them. So start thinking like an owner. Buy stocks, not just products. Even when you buy a product, ensure that you're buying at least part of that amount into buying that stock. This way you will start building up the asset which will pay you dividends and then you can buy the products. That's how the passive income is generated. Now invest into real estate, stocks, businesses. These will grow while you are asleep. Now avoid this paycheck dependency. If your salary is only your income, what if your one bad month? It will ensure that you are pushed into 5 or 6 years backwards. You know it very well. Most people work more than 30 to 40 years paycheck to paycheck and then retire and yet start feeling that is my money sufficient? What do I do now to survive? So on and so forth. So make that first step and break free from this habit and start building income generating assets. So are you stuck in the salary trap? Are you ready to build wealth? And if you want 3 easy ideas to build a second income for you, just comment freedom in the comment section below and I will send you those tips immediately. And in next video of mine, I'm going to exactly tell you how to start your second income without quitting your job. So hit that subscribe button, share it with your friends whom you want to really help. See you again in the next video.